Welcome back to the Go Bros channel. Today we're going to be cutting some trees down for our shop. We keep our shop pretty warm in the winter, but that uses a lot of wood too. So we're going to show you guys how to fall a tree down. Let's get started. This is the saw we're using here. It is a Stihl MS210. We're gonna get it all started here. It is UL listed and it's got lots of stickers on it, so it's got to be good. That just adds for more cutting power. We're gonna give it a full choke. See if she starts. Once it fires, you kick it off to half choke. You always want to look what way the tree's leaning. This one's got a little bit of a northwest bend to it. So we're going to want to go to the side it's leaning on and make a pie cut insert, so when you cut it from the back side, the tree naturally want to fall whatever way it's leaning. We're going to go ahead and get this pie cut in and then cut it from the back. Get this sliced up, load it up in the truck so we can get it in the stove. We're gonna go ahead and get all this loaded up in the truck. Take it back, throw some on the fire because it's getting cold in there. Just finishing up putting these in a pile over here. We put them pretty close to the shop, just so we don't have to walk very far to put them on the fire. We're gonna go put these back in the shop and we'll put the couple logs on the fire and then we'll be done. Just putting these on the fire here. That's gonna do it for this video. Please consider subscribing and stick around for the next video.